back to Angie's Table, and today we wanted to share with you guys a juicer that is kind of new to this kitchen, but we've been loving it. So Grace got this as a gift from Kevin for her birthday, and ever since then we've been juicing pretty much on a weekly basis. There was even one time when we had all the friends here and all we did that day was juice. This kitchen was filled with fruits and veggies. It was really good, and we do have some recipes that we really like from that day, which we will share with you guys. But we did want to get into all the details, why we love this juicer, why we think this is the best for the cost, and how to clean it, how to use it, and all that details. So let's go right ahead. So there are, I think, about 6 different types of juicers, but the one that we have is the Masticating juicer. The ones that you see in cafes or restaurants, like the cold press juicers, are the hydraulic juicers. That's super high end. I don't think most people just have it in their houses. I think the more commonly known ones that people have in their households are either the Masticating or the centrifugal. So the main difference is masticating juicers have a slower oxidation process, which means the color change. For example, like an avocado or an apple, if you have it cut in half and you have it out, it turns brown. So the centrifugal's oxidation process is a lot faster, so the color changes faster. But with the masticating juicers, that process is slower. The centrifugal is faster, but the masticating is a little slower with the juicing processes. So in that sense, centrifugal is better because it's faster, but faster doesn't always mean better. And with centrifugal, since it's a faster juicer and oxidation happens faster, it foams up a little bit more. When I have juices, I don't really like foam in there. I like it pure, just the contents of the juices. It's also another pro about the masticating is that it also has a slightly longer shelf life. So the juicer that we have is the Omega brand, and I just want to show you guys quickly how to use this. So this is where the vegetables and fruits go into, and you just use this to help press it down. This is where the juices come out of, and this is where all the fibers and excess, anything else that isn't juice, is at. Once Grace juices it, I use this as compost or fertilizer, so I'll go spread it all along my garden. And actually, I had flowers that sprung up that were dead, so I really like her juicer because I reap the benefits of it as well. Now I'll show you guys how to assemble, disassemble, and how to clean it as well. So first we're gonna put this part that kind of looks like a coffee filter mesh into the part that has the rubbers. And it should fit right into the groove and make a clicking noise. And then we'll add it into here. I'm gonna twist it until it gets locked in place. And then we'll add the spinner. So I'm gonna flip it and make sure it's going into the hole. And then turn it around and match it in place, and it should fit into the grooves. Before you assemble or start to juice, make sure that this rubber stopper is inserted in, just like that. Now we're gonna place it on here, and the part where the juice comes out of should be facing forward where this on and off button is. And it should fit right into the groove and stay locked in place. We're gonna attach the top portion and click until the arrows meet. So the first drink we're gonna make is called, we named it OC, because we have, it's 2 ingredients, oranges and carrots. So the ratio that we're gonna do it is 3 oranges to 3 carrots, but you guys can adjust it as you go. Like if it's too sweet, or maybe the oranges that you got are not too sweet, then you can feel free to add more. I feel like the main thing is gonna be the orange, whether you wanna add more of it or not. Go ahead and chop up these carrots and peel the oranges. So now let's start juicing. So when you're doing this, make sure you alternate fruits and different textures, because in here the carrots are hard and then the oranges are juicy and mushy. So if you only have the carrots going in, it might get stuck because there isn't enough water to push it down. But on the other side, if it's too mushy, you need something hard like a carrot to push it down. So now this juice looks amazing and smells amazing. Let's put it into a carafe and we'll do a juice mukbang at the end. So since we're doing 3 different types of juices and they're all different colors and tastes, I'm gonna run water through it to clean it out in between so I'm not literally disassembling and cleaning everything out after each juice. Next, we are gonna work on our strawberry basil drink. I'm trying to think of a creative name for it because I have kind of creative names for the rest of it. So how about this is like, can we name it strawberry tree? Grace gave me a weird look. But I want to name it strawberry tree because I think it's like strawberries and then the green, you know, it's like a tree. It's like a strawberry tree.
You know, strawberries don't grow on trees.
I know, so this is going to be a strawberry tree. We're going to name it strawberry tree. So let's get started. We are using about 16 ounces, which is like the medium container of strawberries, a 1/4 cup of basil. And our last juice is the Green Goddess, and this is my favorite. You know, actually that Green Goddess salad, it's called Green Goddess, right, at Panera, is my favorite, and I really like green things. So this is one of my favorite drinks, and look at the cucumber that Grace got. It's like ginormous. So Grace said 1/3 of a large cucumber, 1 apple, 3 cups of kale, and 1/3 of a lemon. So let's get cutting this. And don't forget to rinse the juicer in between. So do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is 야채 and 과일. And this means vegetables and fruits. And in a sentence, you can say, like, for instance, I really like vegetables or I really like fruit. You can say
나는 야채를 정말 좋아해.
or
나는 과일을 정말 좋아해.
so just remember that today's word of the day is 야채 and 과일, meaning vegetables and fruits. And with the remaining compost, I'm gonna use it for my garden. And we'll show you guys how to clean all of this now. So remove the top off. And we'll take this off too. Disassemble everything. So you can do normal washing with dish soap like you would do with normal dishes, and make sure to use the brush to get all the crevices and that you don't miss any vegetables that are stuck in there. And now it's time to eat. Which one should I start off with? Okay, you wanna try it with me? Yeah. Cheers. Cheers. Ooh, very carroty.
I think this, oh really? I think it's more orangey.
I think the orange is not as sweet. It's a little bitter.
It's a little tart.
Yeah, very tart.
Because the orange that I'm used to is more sweet. I think it's because it's not in season anymore, so it's kind of harder to find good oranges. It's healthy. I don't like eating carrots, but this is like a good way for me to intake my carrot.
Yeah. So what I like the most about this juicer is that it's not pulpy really. It's literally just an extract of the juices. It's so good. I really like it. Next. Cheers. This is seriously my favorite.
So good.
I love it.
Wow.
If you guys don't like kale, this is the way to eat kale. Like seriously, it's so good. And oh, remember what Kevin told us about this? So our friends and I, we were all kind of worried that when you do the juicer, it would take out the nutrients that are in the skins. You know, like in like
Fiber.
Yeah, the fiber part. So you want to explain a little bit how it doesn't take away the nutrients?
There's like two different types of fiber. It's soluble and non-soluble fiber. I forgot forgot which one it was. But I think it's the non-soluble fibers that remains and that still helps you.
So in the end, you're okay. You're not missing out by juicing your vegetables and fruits. You still get the nutrients.
I mean, the point of juicer is to extract the nutrients.
Very, very good.
Okay, next
Last.
one.
Strawberry basil.
Ooh.
Oh,
What do you think? I think,
I like it.
right? It's really good with tequila.
Excuse me? That sounds fun. Ooh,
good.
this is so good.
It would be better if the strawberries were sweeter.
Yeah,
It's
like
more tart.
these taste more like healthy juices. This, I did think alcohol, but I didn't say it. But wow.
Yeah,
This
I told you.
is
This was my
surprisingly,
favorite.
I never tried this.
Yeah.
So I was a little scared, but this is amazing. You know, the best thing I like about this is that the basil flavor is just like a hint of it. It's not like,
Hi, I'm Basil. I'm right here taking over your palette.
it's just a hint of it. It's like the perfect amount. A 4th cup was perfect.
Yeah. It just feels lightly infused
Mm-hmm.
rather than like a punch in the face.
Yeah, like a what in the face?
A punch.
Say it like with the thing, like a punch in the face. She was really funny when she did it. But I hope you guys liked this video. We do really like doing these review videos, and if you guys are thinking about getting a juicer, then I hope this kind of helped you out. And I hope you guys try these recipes out if you guys already have one, because it is so good and it makes juicing more enjoyable. So we'll see you guys on our next video.